Hey guys, it's Caden back with another video, and today is shout out number 2. And if you know the channel Frozen Cooking and Toy Reviews, that's my sister channel. She just did this toy review. I think it's uploading, and if you see my channel, you saw me do a review of that. I didn't upload the second part. I uploaded the second part. I don't know why it won't upload. So yeah, and this shout out is gonna be dedicated to Stampy Longnose. Yep, you know it. Stampy is the one who encouraged me to do YouTube. I thought I was gonna do Minecraft only, but yeah, so Stampy encouraged me to do YouTube. He was the first YouTuber I watched on YouTube because I started liking Minecraft when I heard like you get to build whatever you want, and when I got it on my stepdad's iPad, and then I typed in Minecraft on YouTube. Stampy was the very first one I watched, so shout out to him because if you like my YouTube videos and if you're one of my subscribers, it's all because of him. So you should go check out his channel, subscribe to him, and give his videos like 100 likes or like 6 million likes. So yeah, guys, that was the shout out number 2 to Stampy Longnose. Stampy, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for making Minecraft videos. And thank you for encouraging me to do my channel. So yeah, that was just a quick shout out to Stampy. If you have any people that you would like me to, if you have any people that you would like me to check out their channels for, tell me about that in the comments below. And if their videos are good, I'll do a shout out to them. And the next shout out I think will be to iBallistic Squid or Harry and Jerry, because I just started watching their videos and it's funny. Like they do lots of animations. So and then tell me about who you want me to do the next shout out to in the comments below. iBallistic Squid or Harry and Jerry, if I'm saying their YouTube channels right. They have a gamer channel and a animation channel. So yeah, guys, it was just a quick shout out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye 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 bye.